Good evening, students. Welcome to 6th standard revision class. Students, next week you are going to write the second midterm test. So, we have to revise the lessons. Today, we are going to revise in civics unit 1 national symbols. Just we read out the question and answer. First one, choose the correct answer. First question. The national song Vande Mataram was composed by option C. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Second one. Which is the national anthem of India? Option A. Jana Gana Mana. Third one. Who wrote the most famous novel on math? Answer option C. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. So for the first and third question, the same answer is correct. Okay. Fourth one, Dash birthday is celebrated as the International Day of Non-Violence. Option A. Mahatma Gandhi is the correct answer. Fifth one, the color of the Ashoka Chakra found in our national flag is dash. Option B, navy blue. Sixth question, the first flag ever flown after the Independence Day is stored in dash. Option A, Chennai Fort Museum. Next one, sixth question. Seventh question. The national anthem was written by dash. Option C. Rabindranath Tagore. Eighth question. The time taken to play the national anthem is option C. 52 seconds. Ninth question. Vande Mataram was first sung by dash at the 1896 session of the National Congress. Option B. Rabindranath Tagore. 10th one. Dash hoists the flag on Independence Day in Delhi. Option A. The Prime Minister. Next, fill in the blanks, children. First one. The national emblem was adapted from the Ashoka pillar of dash Sarnath. Second one, the national fruit of India is dash mango. Third one, the national bird of India is dash peacock. Fourth one, our national tree is the dash banyan tree. Fifth one, the flag which was flown in 1947 Independence Day was weaved in dash Gudiyatham. Sixth one, the Indian national flag was designed by dash Pinkali Vengaya. Seventh one, dash started the Chaka era. The answer is Kanishka. Eighth one, the longest river in India is dash the Ganges. Ninth one, the Indian rupee symbol was designed by dash D. Udayakumar. Tenth one, the chakra of the national flag has dash spokes, 24 spokes. Next one, choose the correct answer. First question, the lion capital is now in the dash museum. Options Kolkata or Sarnath. The correct answer is Sarnath. Second one, the national anthem was adapted in dash. Options 1950 or 1947. The right answer is 1950. Third one, Dash is declared as our national microorganism. Options: Lactobacillus rhizobium. The correct answer is Lactobacillus. Next one, filling the blanks. Saffron, it gives courage. White, white gives honesty, peace, purity. Second one, horse, energy. Bull, bull gives hard work and dedication. Third one, 1947, Independence Day. 1950, Republic Day. Okay, next one. Next, answer the following. What do the colors in our national flag represent? The saffron at the top represents valor and sacrifice. Second point, the green at the bottom represents fertility and prosperity. Third one, the white band between represents honesty, peace, and purity. Fourth one, the Ashoka Chakra or the wheel in navy blue represents truth and peace. Second question, what are the parts of our national emblem? First one, the four lions on top of the Ashoka pillar at Sarnath was chosen to be our national emblem. Satyameva Jayade has been inscribed at its bottom. It means truth alone trumps. Third point, the national emblem consists of two parts, the upper and lower parts. Fourth point, the upper part has four lions facing the north, south, east, and west. This is on a circular pedestal. One can see only three lions at a time. Fifth point, the lower part has an elephant, a horse, a bull, and a lion. The wheel of righteousness is placed between them. Okay, next third question. What are the salient features of the national anthem? First point, Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem. Second point, it symbolizes the sovereignty and integrity of our nation. Third point, this anthem was written by Rabindranath Tagore in Bengali. Next, rules to be observed while singing the anthem. What are all the rules while singing the national anthem? We have to see. First point, this anthem has to be sung at a duration of 52 seconds. Second point, everyone should stand erect while singing the national anthem. Third point, one should understand the meaning while singing. These are all the three rules. Okay. Next, fourth question. Draw and define the Indian rupee symbol. First point, the Indian currency is the Indian rupees. So, Indian currency is the Indian rupees. The symbol of rupees is, so this is the symbol. The symbol of rupees is. Next one, third point, this was designed by D. Udayakumar from Tamil Nadu in the year 2010. So, this rupee symbol was designed by D. Udayakumar from Tamil Nadu in the year 2010. Okay, next fifth question. Fifth question, where do we use our national emblem? National emblem, where we used or we have to see for the many places. So, where we have to see. First one, the national emblem is found at the top of the government communication, Indian currency, and passport. So we have to see our national emblem and main three things. First one is on the top of the government communication. So government, what are all the communications? We have to see the files on the top. National emblem we have to see. Second one, Indian currency. In every currency we have to see national emblem. And the third one, passport. So from India to other countries who are all going, no, so they have to keep passport. So in the on the top of the passport, so the national emblem is printed. Okay, next one, children. Sixth question: who wrote the national pledge? Our pledge is India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. Is our national pledge. Second one, the pledge was written by Paidimari Venkata Subbarao in Telugu. So, India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. So, like this, the pledge is starting. So, this pledge was written by Paidimari Venkata Subbarao in the language of Telugu. They written. Next one, seventh one, what are all the animals found in the bottom of the emblem? What are all the animals found in the bottom of the national emblem? In the bottom of the emblem, we see an elephant, a horse, a bull, a lion. What are all the animals we have to see in the national emblem, children? There are four animals: an elephant, a horse, a bull, a lion. Okay. Next one, eighth question. What are the natural national symbols? Natural national symbols. We have to see tiger, first one, tiger. Second one, elephant. Third one, river dolphin of Ganges. Fourth one, peacock. Fifth one, king cobra. Next one, banyan tree. Next, mango. Next one, the Ganges and lotus are the natural national symbols. So, how many children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, there are 9 animals, trees, everything. Okay, they include. So, these are all called natural national symbols. Okay, next, ninth one. Where is the peacock sanctuary located in Tamil Nadu? In Tamil Nadu, where they keep peacock alone. For peacock alone, they have the sanctuary. There is a peacock sanctuary at Virali Malai. There is a peacock sanctuary at Virali Malai in the district of Pudukkottai, Tamil Nadu. So, for peacock sanctuary is located at Virali Malai in the district of Pudukkottai at Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu state. Okay. Okay, children. Thank you.